do I feel so bad about this? No. Oma, you need to get hold of yourself. You have to. You have to. This will put me to a bigger class. Oma, you are one step closer to greatness. Yes. The queen has promised to make me her right-hand maid. This means that I will become her daughter-in-law. And when that happens, I will automatically become the next queen of this kingdom. Yes! Yes! Oma, it is time to start walking like a queen. It is time to raise my shoulders high and start walking like a queen. Hey, you, what are you doing there? Will you get inside and face your duties? I can't wait. This is good. This is good. The tray almost dropped from my hands. My dear. Oma.
Did he drink it?
He was about taking it before I left him.
Please, no one should hear this.
Ah, my queen. You should trust me.
I trust you.
Mom, good morning.
Good morning. Where are you coming from?
I came back yesterday. Oma said you went out, so I slept off.
Oh. How is Abuja?
Abuja is fine. Mom, you're not looking alright. Are you okay?
It's just a slight headache. I'll be fine.
I think you need some rest.
Sure.
Alright, let me do some yoga.
My prince, in case you need anything, just let me know.
Alright, I will do that.
Papa, Haba, you are not dressed yet. Papa, go and dress, let's go now.
Arinze,
Papa,
this is the third time, the very third time we are going to that palace for the same reason. I do not see why the king will keep turning us down. Why?
Papa, it's not going to happen again. I already spoken with Brenda and she promised me nothing of such will happen again. That they are waiting for us.
Arinze,
Papa.
let me make this very clear to you. If we go there and receive the same insult, the same humiliation that we got the last time, I promise you, I will never ever go there again with you. I know what it means. You will not marry her.
Papa, I agree with you. If it happens again, I will not go on with the marriage.
Arinze, you know me very well. When I have spoken,
Papa, go inside and dress. We're already late. Go and dress, yeah? Please.
yeah? Go and get my
Okay, Papa, I'm home here.
She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, and you have no shame. Oh yeah, and you have no shame. Scheming.
You're welcome. Let me get you something to drink.
No, don't bother about that. Don't bother with that. Just let your father know we're here. Let us finish seeing him first.
All right. I'll let him know immediately.
Okay, see that.
Excuse me.
He's fine.
Odimgbe. Oh, yes. I didn't see you at the Council of Chiefs meeting. What happened? Okay.
Dad!
I'll call you back.
Dad, they are here. Dad, did you hear me? Arinze and his father are here.
I told him to come back next week. I never invited them today.
Father, please. Arinze will be traveling to Austria next week, Tuesday. Please, Father, this is the right time.
I do not stop him from traveling.
Father, what will happen if he travels? He will be with you, sir. Okay. Once again, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Are you okay? Good morning, Your Highness.
Long live the king.
There is a situation in the palace that I must deal with first, before this.
Your Highness, are you asking us to go home and come back again?
Papa, calm down, yeah? Your Highness, when do we come back again?
The question is not when we shall come back again. The question is, why is he treating us like outcasts? Your Highness, why are you treating us like outcasts?
Get out. Don't ask me stupid questions.
Dad.
Papa, calm down, please.
Son, let's go.
Dad.
Calm down, please. She's going to talk to her father, please. Calm down a little while.
Excuse me. One, are you asking me to calm down in the face of such insolence on my person? Okay. Two, who is she going to talk to? Okay. Who is he?
Papa, please. Just give me 1 minute. Let me talk to my father. Please, just 1 minute. I'll be right back.
Let's get out of here. Let's go.
Please calm down. She's going to talk to her father. Please sit down and wait, please.
Who is she going to talk to? Listen, if you want to wait, you can sit down and wait. Look at you.
Papa.
I will not wait for him to come back and insult me again.
Papa, come.
No, please.
That's not got into this. Eh? Did you hear that?
I can't hear anything.
I heard a noise.
Baby, there is no one here.
Please, go. You can come back later, please.
Sugar, the door is locked. There's no one here.
I don't want my mom to meet you here. Please go. Please. I'm begging you, please. I heard noise, please. Just go. Please go.
I'm saying I should go. I should go check.
Go and check what is happening, please. Go and check.
Okay.
Just go. Go and check.
I didn't hear anything.
I heard something. Go and check.
Father, please. I beg you in God's name, don't do this again. Please, Father, they are still waiting, please.
Despite all I told you, you still allow them to come. Go and attend to them in your own way.
Father, please. Like I told you before, Arinze will soon be traveling. This is the right time. Please, Father, please.
Marriage right must stop now. Tell them to go.
Where are they? Are they gone?
Yeah, we just left now.
Eh?
Ilo danger. Ilo danger, mado danger.
Oh, what are you doing here?
Sugar, whatever they're talking about is
I
none of our
asked you to
business.
go. I don't want my mom to meet you here. Please go.
Your mom is not coming in here.
Go for now. Please, I'm begging you, please.
Honey, but I want you.
You can come back later, please. Can't you understand? Go later, you come back later. Okay, my mom. Please.
Okay, I'm gonna come out tonight.
No problem. Just go now. Okay.
Leave your door open for
I've
me.
heard you. I've heard you. Just go. Go.
Okay, go.
Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go.
Hi.
She's so sweet. Oma is so sweet. I can't wait to see you in the night. Oh my God. She's very sweet. What is that again?
Dad. Dad. Dad, why are you doing this? If you don't want him to marry me, let me know. You have done this for 3 months now. Dad, do you know how it feels to be rejected? If I am the one they are doing this to, as a father, how will you feel, Dad?
No, listen and listen good. I don't want to get angry with you. Now!
Dad, this is not fair. This is not fair at all. For how long do I have to wait before you decide when I will get married? For crying out loud, Dad, I am not getting any younger.
What more? What from you?
Ilo danger. danger, mado danger. Ilo danger. Ilo danger, mado danger.
Your Highness, my king. Your Highness, my king. Your Highness, my king.
Look what you've done. You have no shame. Bad people, bad human.
Oh my word. Ah, free like a bird. Oh my word. Oh my kingdom. What do I do with you? What?
Bad woman, bad woman. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? Bad people,
What happened to
bad human. Oh yeah. They're sneaking around. Look what you've done. Oh yeah. She's a bad woman, bad woman.
I don't know. He was exchanging words with Princess Brenda. All of a sudden, he slumped.
You are
He could be attacked.
Water.
No. Carry him
I should carry him.
to the hospital.
Let's call the ambulance.
Hey.
Call the ambulance.
It has happened. It has happened though.
Oh no, ambulance, oh no. Let's get water. Okay, we got it. His Majesty.
No. Carry him. Yes. Call everybody.
Call everybody.
Call, please, call.
Open the door.
Call. Yeah, we'll do that. You trusted me.
Bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done. Look what you've done. And you have no shame. These are bad people, bad humans sneaking around. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? Every day, every night, screaming your evil.
Do you want me to strangle you?
That under the sun, nothing can be hidden. You can bury the truth for a season, but remember, oh yeah, seasons come and go.
Okay, dear. You want me to stay with him?
But the truth will remain, yeah. Some are praying every day for paradise, but some others who are living in paradise, they're bringing hell to their paradise by the making of their hands. She's a bad woman, bad woman sneaking around. Oh, yeah. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Don't you have no shame, don't you have no shame.
This should not happen. This will be terrible.
Joseph, please stop sounding like this, okay?
Let this not be what I saw in my dream.
Look, can you forget about your dreams? I said stop sounding like this. We are concerned about our king. Doctor, please, how is the situation of our king?
Can I speak with someone in my office?
Yes, let me go.
Please. Doctor, please. Tell us what you have to say here. Please.
You see, his kidney is badly affected. And we need to fly him abroad immediately because he's not responding to treatment.
No, doctor, now. It has not gotten to the extent of flying him abroad. You can do something. Do some magic. See, if it's money, I will pay you double. Just mention your price. He has to survive. He has to survive somehow. Please.
Okay. I'll try my best. See what I can do.
Ichie Uzozie, please, I need to leave. Let me go and get him some fruit juice. I'll be back. Just in a jiffy. In a jiffy.
Okay. Is this woman?
Please, Ichie, let us not discuss our issue here now, okay? You understand me?
Bad woman. Oh, yeah. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? Oh yeah. Don't you have no shame? Bad woman. Oh yeah. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? Bad people, bad human.
My queen, do you think the king will need the fruit juice at this critical state? I think all he needs now is prayers. My queen.
What?
Did you hear what I just said?
What did you say?
I said I don't think the fruit juice will be necessary. Did you not see the look on the faces of those elders?
Oti,
My queen.
he's my husband. I know what is good for him. Take me out of here.
Oh yeah. They're sneaking around. Look what you've done. Oh yeah. She's a bad woman. Sneaking around. Look what you've done. See what you've caused. Bad people, bad human. You're sticking around. Look what you've done. Don't you have no shame? I don't understand the reason why people kill people. If we all are gonna die someday. So why you letting your greed take over your good sense of judgment? My brothers and sisters, what is so special?
This is the third time he's asking us to go home and come back again. We are from a reputable family. We don't beg people to marry us.
Honey, please. Maybe something was bothering him, that's why. Please.
Hey, whatever it is that was bothering him should not make him look down on us. Listen, marriage is not a do or die affair. We will go and get a young girl from a noble family who will accept us for who we are.
No.
Listen, my son is well to do. He's also educated. Don't talk with us.
Papa, please. It has not gotten to that. We can work things out. I love your son. He loves me too. We love each other. Please, I believe we can work things out, please.
But what I just said, we are no longer interested. Listen, if you see us at that palace again, cut off our legs. No, I've told you.
Papa, please. Please, I beg you. It will happen again. Honey, please say something. Begging for me. Please say something. Please, remember the promise you made to me. You promised not to leave me. Please, please, I beg you. Please. Arinze. Papa, please.
Go home. We shall not be used as objects of ridicule. This is a highly reputable family. You heard me?
Papa, where is she? Is she gone?
What is wrong with her?
I don't know. But wait, oh. Don't you think we should take her to the palace at once so that we can break the news to all of them at the same time? It will be rather suspicious. She will hear when she returns home. I think you're right. Yes. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. My queen.
Oh no.
Our people have a saying that what has not been seen on earth has not been created by God.
Oh no. Where is my husband?
My queen, you have to get a hold of yourself. I'm sorry, our king has gone to join his ancestors.
Hey! Oh no! Hey!
Please, take this. And please, no one should hear about this. Yes? No one. Until Prince Obina returns.
Brenda has killed her father. She has killed her father.
You should not accuse anyone here yet. Please.
She is the cause. Oh no, she is the cause. If she did not bring that wretched man here, the father wouldn't have shouted. Not to talk of having a heart attack. She caused it, oh! She caused it. He died of heart attack. I can swear to that.
Swearing is for those who certainly must swear.
Ichuzuzi, we have to leave now.
No problem.
My queen, please take it easy.
Oh no, which mortuary did you deposit his body? Where did you deposit his body? Please let me see him. Let me see my beloved husband. He was my husband. We loved each other before he passed on. I need to see him. Oh no, please now. I am human. People belling my belly. I want to see.
My queen, we have to carry out some rituals before we can allow anyone to see his body.
Rituals?
So just take it easy, we have to go.
He said I should not shout. Oh my! Check if they have gone.
Oti,
No.
nobody, I repeat, nobody should hear about what happened. Not even your second ear. Do you understand me?
Oh no, I'm not a child.
It's not a question of your not being a child. This is a secret, and that secret must be kept. Is that understood?
Yes or no, I know what to do.
Good. Iche, let's go.
You're back. Papa, is everything alright? You look really sad.
Sit down. I am not only sad. I am sad and worried. We lost the king.
Hey! Papa, Iwe is dead.
Please, don't let anyone know about this.
Yes, Papa, yes, Papa. Papa, last night I had a very strange dream about Princess Brenda.
Dream?
Yes.
What is it all about?
But in that dream, Princess Brenda was inside a pit, crying, shouting for help. People were just passing by. Nobody offered to help her out.
That is a bad dream.
Oh, Papa, what does it even mean?
Hey. It means that the princess will fall into the trap of her enemies.
God forbid.
Hey.
Please, Papa, maybe you should go and talk to her about it. She needs to pray.
I think you're right. I need to go and see her.
You need to go today, Papa. Today.
It's okay. I will do that immediately.
Thank you. Can I bring your food here?
No. I'm not hungry.
You're not hungry.
When I'm hungry, I'll let you know.
Right now, Papa. I'll be inside.
Okay.
What do I benefit by keeping this secret? After all, the king is dead, and I'm not under his oath anymore. I think I have to make a fortune out of this. No, Oti, you're a noble man. Even if I'm not under any oath, my conscience will kill and bury me.
I got this, baby. Oh, hey. Oh, my. It worked so fast.
Did you see the look on Ichie Uzese's face? He looks like someone who has bottled up something.
As if I care. Before they start suspecting anything, my son is already king.
But my queen, we just added a little bit of it. Just very little of it.
And it worked. It worked so fast. Maybe because he ate the pepper soup. The fish pepper soup I left in the dining.
The fish pepper soup?
Yes, the fish pepper soup. Oh dear boy. Hey.
No, my queen. He did not eat the fish pepper soup.
Then who did?
What is the meaning of that dream? Could it mean that we lose this kingdom and the throne? Obinna said he was crying because I died.
Hey, babe. I hope you're enjoying the catfish pepper soup. My prince?
Oma, please, allow me to eat this fish in peace.
Okay, I'm gonna wait here.
You're gonna wait where? Where do you want to wait?
Fine. I'll wait in my room.
Mama, please. I don't want my father to find out who I've been doing this.
And your father is not going to find out. Baby, since the last time you touched me, I've not stopped thinking about you. I crave for your touch every minute. Honey, I want you every time, every day.
Alright, I've heard you, I've heard you. Just go to your room, I'll be with you shortly. Okay. Go, I'm coming, yes?
I'll be waiting.
Wow! It's a chicken. What?
What? He ate the fish.
Wait, wait. Oh! My son! Ah!
Mom, what is it?
Get up. Get up. We're going to the hospital.
Which hospital? Is that alright?
We are going to the hospital immediately.
Mom, I'm not going anywhere until you tell me what is going on.
Young man, I am not in the right state of mind to argue. Just follow me to the hospital right now. Get up. Come on, drag him. Get up.
She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, and you have no shame. Oh yeah. You have no shame.
What is going on?
Let's go to the hospital. Auntie! 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 Get the car key! Hey!
The car key!
Come on! Mama! Where's the car key? Open the gate! Where is the car key? Mama! Oh, you have it. Give me! Hey!
Out to their paradise by the making of their hands. She's a bad woman, sneaking around. Oh, yeah. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, and you have no shame. These are bad people, bad humans, sneaking around, they are sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. Oh yeah, she's a bad woman, sneaking around. Look what you've done, look what you've done. And you have no shame, see what you've caused.
What is going on here? What's wrong with the prince?
What happened now? Eh?
Was I not here with you?
But Oti, the king, hospital, prince, hospital. What is happening in this palace?
Whatever it is that's going on, we will hear it. We must. What my eyes saw today.
Excuse us for a moment.
What are you waiting?
My princess, please, can I say something?
Yes, what is it?
My princess, I don't think the palace is safe for you, considering what happened.
You have a point, Oti. But God is with me. He will not allow anything happen to me.
I know, my princess, but my father has a saying that being cautious is not a sign of cowardice.
You are right, but the queen is too small to take my life. Or are you saying that the queen is bigger than God?
No, my princess, the queen can never be bigger than God.
Then take me home.
All right, my princess.